Hey everyone, this is Nupur here from the Craft Tribe. Today I will be unboxing my first DT goodie bag received from Aarushi Creations. I'm very excited to be associated with Aarushi Creations. Her products are very well made, very smooth and no sanding required. And all of this at a competitive price. Best part, she delivers all of her products on time every time. So without much further ado, let's start with the unboxing. Oh wow, look at these lovely letters. They are a wall clock and a home decor. Isn't it amazing? Oh wait, we also have these lovely embellishments and I think they form the phrase. And it says, hold on a second, let me just rearrange and see. Oh wow, I know what they say. Love these happy memories forever. Just so beautiful. There's another version of a wall clock, smaller but beautiful. Oh my god. We also have a name plug. Wow. It's like we have put together a whole range of home decor with wall clocks, plaques and embellishments. These embellishments are so versatile. Look at their finish. Oh my god, they are just so beautiful. And I think with Diwali around the corner, it's perfect decor to adorn any house. Wow. Thank you so much Aarushi Creations for sending me these amazing products. I am so in love with all of this and I think I have an idea of what I will be doing with this. This is just amazing. So thank you guys for staying with me and I'll be back soon with the finished products on this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe Aarushi Creations and the Craft Tribe. See you soon. Bye bye.